Welcome to this Audacity training. This is Michael Zapq, and I will be showing you how to download and install Audacity and the Lame Mp3 encoder to your computer. I'm including the Lame Mp3 encoder because you will need this to compress the size of your recordings for the web and save to MP3. Start by visiting audacity.sourceforge.net to download Audacity. You can also just type in Audacity in Google, and the first link should be the one you need. Once on the Audacity main page, click on Download Audacity 1.2.6, or whatever the latest version may be. I recommend not using the beta, because betas are often less stable. If you actually have a Mac instead of a Windows-based PC, the option for download will be on your left. You can select Mac, and then choose the download based on what you have as far as a Mac. Once on the download page, under Recommended Download, choose the Audacity installer. You should get a similar message that says the download will start shortly. If it doesn't pop up, just select the direct link button, and then it should give you the option to run, save, or cancel. In this case, just go ahead and hit the run button. You can see that that will start downloading for you. It's a rather small file, so it shouldn't take too long to download if you have a reasonable download speeds. For some of you that may have Vista or Windows 7, you may get a message. You can just hit yes or accept to go through any of those screens. And now you can actually set it up. Go ahead and click Next. Accept the agreement. Feel free to read it if you'd like. Next. And then choose a location. Default location is fine. If you prefer to do something else, of course, choose Browse and pick where you'd like to save it. Then hit Next. I already have it on my computer, so I actually don't need to install it again. So I'm going to hit No, but you should be able to go ahead and hit Next and then go ahead and install it to the default location. Once you have finished installing Audacity, head back to your browser and hit back on the browser window to go back to the download page. Scroll down past where you clicked on the installer, and under Optional Downloads, you're going to need the Lame Mp3 encoder. And as it says, it allows Audacity to export MP3 files. Click on that. Basically, you'll be installing the Lame Mp3 encoder to the default location. Click on the Lame for Audacity on Windows.exe if you have a Windows PC. Choose Run. That should install Lame Mp3. You can choose Run again. Basically click through the screens and yes or Run. Hit Next. Accept the agreement. You can choose the default location and then install. I already have it installed, so I won't be doing this, but finish clicking through. Remember where you saved the Lame Mp3 because you'll need to find it shortly. Okay, now that you have both Audacity and the Lame Mp3 encoder installed, start Audacity by clicking on the link. It should be on your desktop. And it should be a file that looks a little bit like this. Double click on Audacity, and you'll get a window that pops up that looks like this. In the next video, we'll be looking into Audacity program itself and doing some of the basic functions.